the text aloud to the children while they listen and read it silently along with you. I'm going to read it out for you. Fair play. Once a boy, Osama, liked winning at whatever it may be: football, cards, video games, everything. He had become an expert in all kinds of tricks and cheating. Without being noticed, he could play tricks in every situation. He won so many times that everyone saw him as the champion. One of the players he used to play with was a poor boy who was a bit younger. Osama really enjoyed to beat the poor boy. Osama decided to apply for the National Video Games Championship. At the championship, he was keen to show all of his skills, but when he tried using all those tricks and cheats, none of them worked. The judges had prevented any of the tricks from working. He was a good player, but without his cheats, he couldn't beat a single opponent. Osama was soon eliminated. Finally, the judges announced the name of the tournament champion. It was the poor boy from his hometown, the one who had always been beaten. Osama realized that the poor boy was learning from each of his defeats. So much learning made him a real champion. From then on, the boy who had loved winning gave up to win all the time. He started playing honesty. He was quite happy to lose because that way he learned how to win the important tournaments.